The world needs to feed its people. Wheat, with a production of almost 700 million metric tons a year, is one of the most important sources. From noodles, pizzas to cakes, we enjoy the various delicious products we can make out of it. But first we have to grind it to flour. For almost 2 decades, SRIBOGA Flour Mill, one of the top flour mills in Asia, established itself as the pioneer in flour production. From intake of the wheat to the final delivery of their products, SRIBOGA utilizes latest technology operated by a highly skilled staff. This makes SRIBOGA a modern wheat flour producer with a vast variety of top products.
In October 1995, we start construction our factory. And after 3 years, in May 1998, we started produce our first 3 brand, Tarimas, Beruang Biru, and Pita Merah.
In December 1999, SRIBOGA received an award from UNICEF to be the first flour company in the world that fortify its product with vitamin.
By adding vitamins, including zinc, we increased the nutrition values of the Indonesian population. In September 2000, the U.S. Wheat Association awarded us for being the cleanest wheat flour factory in Southeast Asia. We were the first flour mill who received this award and continue to apply highest environmental standards in our product.
To ensure highest quality standards, the flour is carefully analyzed. With state-of-the-art equipment, the composition of the flour is examined. SRIBOGA Flour Mill not only tests its flour, it also tests the final products of each customer in SRIBOGA's own bakery. These procedures are in place before any delivery is released.
In August 2003, construction of high-technology mixing flour plant is started to produce specific product as special requirement. In June 2005, finally our mixing plant goes into operation.
After our flour mixing plant started operation, we were the first flour mill to supply ready-mix flour exclusively to brands such as Dunkin' Donuts and Nissin International.
PT SRIBOGA Flour Mill, our main supplier, supplies PT Nissin Biscuit Indonesia not only wheat flour with competitive price and better service, but also better and consistent quality in order to give us consistent and trouble-free process in producing biscuits.
In July 2004, we acquired Pizza Hut Indonesia. We are proud to have this international top brand inside our group. We not only provide flour to Pizza Hut, but also establish our group in the field of casual dining restaurants.
In April 2008, we start construction of our new C line for the production of very special OS product and very fine granulated product to meet our customer requirement. And finally, on May 2009, the mill start operation.
Since we opened our restaurant, we always use flour from SRIBOGA. We trust in this brand because we know their high standard, especially their quality control. Our mission is to serve our guests only the best. That's why we choose SRIBOGA.
In March 2011, we started our CSR program to help with the development of small and medium-scale enterprises. We were the first to develop cooperatives for SMEs, an important step to vitalize flour distribution in Indonesia.
SRIBOGA also established customer centers in Semarang, Surabaya and Jakarta. Customers can get valuable information about flour and even get practical advice from experts in SRIBOGA's bakery and noodle clinics.
In September 2011, we implemented our SRIBOGA Go Green program. This paper bag, one of the evidence, is an important part of our eco-friendly program. It shows our commitment to build a brighter future for Indonesia.
In September 2011, we started the construction of our Innova production unit.
Since March 2012, we are the one and only flour mill in Asia producing this unique flour for very special application.
In March 2012, we start the construction of Mill B. We start commissioning this mill at the end of January 2013. This modern mill produces flour with fine granulation, and with a production of 250 tons per day, we significantly increase our capacity.
After successfully passing the YAMSTAR audit in February 2012, we were the first flour mill being approved to export our products to the Asia Pacific region, supplying KFC, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell.
SRIBOGA not only satisfies the Indonesian market, it also exports its products to various countries in Asia. With a container terminal around the corner, SRIBOGA Flour Mill is perfectly located in the city of Semarang on the north coast of the island of Java, Indonesia.
We always strive to move on. Is it utilizing the latest technology, developing new products, or reaching out for new markets? We continue to be a pioneer in the flour business.